my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett. And tonight you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that I got that out the way, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video, y'all. I'm super duper excited about tonight's video. So for tonight's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys some ASL Christmas edition. Yes, you heard me right, Christmas edition. I didn't want to wait too late this time like I did for Thanksgiving. I want to do the video a little bit earlier so you guys can use these tools if you want to. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. I don't want the video to be long, so if you like, you can do these signs with me, okay? Some of the words that I'm going to teach you tonight, I'm going to teach you Christmas. I have my list, y'all. I'm going to teach you guys how to do Merry Christmas, Christmas tree, ornaments, lights, stockings, Christmas Eve, Jesus, family and friends. I hope you guys remember that from last time. If not, you're going to get some more practice with that. I'm going to show you guys PJs or pajamas. I'm going to show you guys Santa Claus, reindeers, Jingle Bells, and then I'm going to show you guys Happy New Year. Alright guys, let's jump on in it. Alright, first up on the list, I'm going to teach you guys Christmas, okay? So I like to put my hand out flat, put my arm up, and then you're going to make a C, like in sign language, and you're just going to make your C come over, like an arch. Christmas. Christmas. Got it? Christmas. So for Christmas Eve, it's the same thing. So you're going to say Christmas, Christmas, and then you're just going to spell out Eve. So Eve is E in sign language, V, E. Christmas Eve. Alright, next I'm going to teach you guys Merry Christmas. So from previous videos, you guys already know this sign, which is happy. Merry, which is the same as happy. Merry, and I just taught you guys Christmas. Christmas. Merry Christmas. Good. Alright, next up, I'm going to teach you guys Christmas tree. So back here, you're going to arch it, Christmas, and leave this hand up, and tree. Tree, like the branches. Tree. Christmas tree. Good. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys ornaments. Alright, so back up here, like Christmas. So ornament is nothing but like Christmas, and then do a ball, like the ornament, and then hang it on a tree. You hang an ornament on a tree. So, ornaments. Got it? Let's do it again. Ornaments. Great job. Alright, next up I'm going to teach you lights. So, finger like this. Do it by your chin. Lights. Like the lights are switching on and off. Lights. Lights. Good. Alright, stockings. It's the same as socks. So stocking is stocking. Alright, next up, I'm going to show you guys Jesus. Alright, so take your hands up, flat hands up, and then I use my ring fingers. Take your ring fingers on each side and poke it in your hand, in the palm of your hand. Jesus. Jesus, like the holes in Jesus' hand. Jesus, from the nails. Jesus. Good. Now, Christmas, we celebrate Christmas with our family and our friends. So I'm going to go back and do family and friends. I just taught you guys that in the Thanksgiving ASL. So if you forgot, here we go. F. Now bring it around. Family. Family. Good. And then friends. Your index finger. And then friends. Two friends. Mix, match. Friends. Good. Family and friends. Alright, while you celebrating Christmas with your family and your friends, I know my family on Christmas Eve, we like to wear our pajamas. So I'm going to show you guys PJ. So easy. We just going to do the letters in sign language. So P and J. P, J. PJs. Yes. All right. Next up, I'm going to show you guys Santa Claus. The kids love Santa Claus. All right, so you're going to take your C's up like Christmas right here by your chin. And you're just going to go Santa Claus, like you're making a beard. Santa Claus. Good. Do it again. Santa Claus. Yes. All right, so we can't do Santa Claus, making his beard, Santa Claus, without doing, hands up here, reindeers. Reindeers. So flat hands out. I like to move them. Reindeers, like the antlers. Reindeers. Now I'm going to show you guys Jingle Bells. So flat hand up and then palm and hit. I think this is Bell and ASL. Bell. So Jingle Bell, all you're going to do is hit the bell and jingle it out. Jingle bells. Like you're ringing the bells. Jingle bells. Yes. This is my last one, guys. So now I'm going to teach you guys Happy New Year. So happy, scoop up, new, and then roll around, year. All right, I'm going to do Happy New Year's again. Happy, scoop, new, roll around, year. Happy New Year. Yay! That concludes this video, y'all. I just taught you guys Christmas and ASL. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And y'all, I'm just super excited about Vlogmas. It's so hard doing it. But y'all, I promise y'all, I am going to get through these 25 days. See you in the next video. Bye!
Happy little Christmas.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.